Crypto was really exciting for like a day or two, and then it got boring again.
Oh, no! We suck again!
No, it's fine. We don't suck. We're just consolidating around 42,000, and everything seems to be sideways. But today I'm going to take a look at the top 10, 15, 20, top bunch of coins by market cap and see if we can figure out what is going on by looking at the charts. You don't want to miss it. Let us go.
Let's go.
What is up, everybody? I am Scott Melker, also known as the Wolf of All Streets. Before we get started, please subscribe to the channel and take a nap on the like button. Take a nap on it. Take a nap on the like button. StreamYard says there are 0 people watching, so hopefully this thing is actually working. Is this working? 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 Yeah, it says YouTube is fucking up today. Somebody just said, I don't know, man. I'm trying to see. It looks like it's working. I see it on YouTube. There I am. I'm in YouTube. Cool. I'm on the YouTube. Guys, this stream is sponsored by, really proudly, by this Shib Oven Mitt. He paid me to show up and talk to you guys about things and stuff. I show one person is watching, which is awesome. Hello, guy. No, I know there's more of you. It's fine. It's fine. StreamYard is just jacked up. Per usual. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful day, staying not too bored at the moment. So on Wednesdays, we used to do Chartapalooza. And then what I did was I decided to make the newsletter free. And then I was like, I'm not going to take chart requests from 38,000 people, because there's 38,000 of you that read the newsletter now. Okay, like 6 of you read it, but 38,000 of you get it. And so I can say that. So what we're going to do is each week we're going to pick like a genre, a category or something. And I'm going to go through those. So we could do like, metaverse, DeFi, NFT platforms, large caps, small caps, mid caps, no cap. But we can't do small caps because then people would say I was like shilling bags or something. And those people are trash asses. But so I just stick to the big stuff. Big stuff. So yeah. Oh, wait. Bella's here, so I need to check my language. I just said a bad word. I'm sorry, Bella. Sorry to your child who has been forever corrupted by my face and my words. But here, let's start to do the things. Is my thumbnail riveting? I didn't even look at it. I don't look at the thumbnails. Let me see what my thumbnail looks like. I can't even see it. Oh, I don't know. I don't see my thumbnail. Can't see it. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I'm not that riveted. I don't look riveted. Feels riveted, though. Hey, Scott, you are doing good work with the newsletter. Could not read it. Those two thoughts seem to be conflicting. I absolutely love the product that you've put out that I don't read. I don't understand, but thank you. What's wrong with my face? I don't know. Genetics? Whatever, man. It's just my face. Are we bullish or bearish today? We are crabbish. Crab market. Sideways, crabby market. All right. I don't know what the hell you guys are talking about over here. Read the newsletter. Read it. Don't read it. Whatever. Worry about yourself. Add to stream. There I am. Look, I'm in the corner. I'm doing the corner thing. We got this one and this one. This one. I'm going to stick to this one. So this is a thing called CoinMarketCap. Might have heard of it. Might have heard of it. And these are the top coins we have by market cap, excluding stable coins because their charts are boring. Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Cardano. Those two still being in the top is amazing. Luna, Sol, AVAX. That takes us through 10, but I'm going to keep going. Dot, Doge, Shib. That takes us through the top 15. I'll look at those and maybe we'll dig in beyond that, depending on, I never know if we have enough time. See if we have time. What about the Goldman Sachs dude? Bring a DJ. You mean like the CEO? Yeah, Solomon. Yeah, he's a DJ now. That's right. I write my newsletters in original Latin and code. Actually, I write them in Pig Latin, so you can ukfe afe if you don't ike it lay. Yeah. Can we just stop running the market on hopium? Just do the bear market thing. Need better entries. Well, have fun waiting for that. Oh, Rational's here. I can start now. Greg would like you to know that I need better sunscreen. But what do I look burnt? I have a glow. I glow. I'm a glower. Jamie Dimon's JP Morgan, though. He doesn't DJ. He just sucks at things with life. All right. So those are the coins. Let's take a look first at the Bitcoin with the coins and the bits. So surprisingly, guys, 42,000. Because that's been the price. Okay, we've had a little volatility on both sides, but that's been the price since the 4th of January, January of 21. That's January, not of this year, but like the whole other year, right? We've basically, oh, now my video says 0 again. Is it broken? Yeah, now someone's saying video never started, shows 1. I don't know, man. I'm looking on YouTube. Shows 248 people watching. You guys figured out. I'm looking. People are complaining. I'm running on YouTube according to my YouTube. So you guys can all suck it, basically. Yeah. I said recently, like, we basically had like one really good month. But that was October. Like, we've basically just been kind of terrible, except for October of last year, basically. 10 months since last May when we crashed of basically pain, except for one great, amazing month. So things are going to get better. Yeah, just keep refreshing till it starts, guys. It's not me. It's YouTube. Have fun figuring out tech issues. It's working for Emmy, and that's literally all that matters because I'm getting nothing from the rest of you in real life. And Emmy, her opinion is the only one that matters because I have to do things in person with her on a daily basis. So if her YouTube is working, I know that you guys all are broken people. We're broken. Had to reboot, no video. Wow, this is fun. Really fun. Yeah. YouTube hates me. They hate me. Anyways, yeah, guys, Bitcoin's just 42,000. It's what it is. Nice week last week, filling up these gaps. But let's see, man. If we have if this like turns into one of these, right at 42,000 again. Oh my God, have fun. Nothing to look at here. I don't even know which charts I have pulled up. I am still encouraged here. MACD made a bullish cross, but who cares, right? That we're still making higher lows, consolidating up towards 45. There's really nothing to see here, like in any of this, unless we do that and get above, right? Got to get above 45.5. Everything else is just a tease. Everything else is just a tease. I mean, the power could go out again. I don't think it will. I haven't plugged it in, but I bought one of those APC things that'll make my computer stay on. But then I realized I was like, oh, that's really cool. I'm going to buy that. And then I was like, that's not going to stop the internet from going out. So I wasted money. Have fun staying poor. I don't know. That chart's stupid. The only thing I would say that I'm a little hesitant about here, you can see obviously on the B bands that we've tapped the top line, but still trading in the top half of the B bands here on the daily. But what's interesting to note is that they are consolidating, not expanding, right? When these are coming together, tightening, as they say, it means that we're going to get more volatility, not that we've seen the volatility. So this move from like 37 to 42, it's nothing, right? Look how tight the bands are here, like for example, and then when it goes down, they get wider, tight here, wider. We're tightening, not expanding. So whatever comes next, whenever that happens, is going to be the bigger move. What we've seen right now, this is sideways chop with tightening bands. Scott actually on. Mine says waiting on phone and TV. I hate this. Yeah. But it says there's people watching. Yeah, battery backup, but it's not going to save my whack ass internet. Anyways, let's go on to ETH because it's the next coin on the list of the things. And I don't know, now like they're all loading, like they were all loaded and now they're all loading. I kind of like ETH. We're going to do Bitcoin pairs and USDT pairs. I'm going to pretend that you guys still trade against Bitcoin. That's cool. Great. It's back to thumbnail, guys. Yeah, it's showing me 0 people are watching. This is fun. I'm having a good time. I'm having a good time. Are you guys having a good time? This is terrible. Let's see if it's working on mine. If my YouTube's working, then yeah, this is ridiculous. Anyways, I'm going to keep going and ignore you guys. My God, I love you, but you're the worst. You're making it horrible for me. here for fun. Okay, Ethereum, Bitcoin. Listen, we used to think that we had this, right? Remember the epic bull pennant that was going to go all the way up here and rejected, right? So now we have to just go to this. We have to be real. Got to keep it real. We have an ascending wedge, right? I don't think it's particularly, even if it drops, it would only come down to here, not a huge for the target. But right now, you got to love that it bounced perfectly off support and is flipping the 50 MA here on the weekly. Ethereum looking pretty good here. We know that it's looking good on the USD pair, right? We had this symmetrical triangle. That could have been bad, right? Could have been bad. Could have been terrible, bad, horrible. Oh, look, the things are actually lining up again. That's great. But we broke to the upside and retested, and then predictably rejected right at 30. Imagine 10 years in the future, right at $30,450, $3,045. If you're going to trade this at this point, you got to get above that. Your target is about 3,420, slightly over a 10% move. It's how you would approach ETH from now. Otherwise, maybe if you were trading it like super locally, you got a level there, 2774. Yeah. Chat is working, video is not. So you guys are literally just talking to each other about nothing. Emmy apparently has no time for my bullshit. That's not cool. They can watch it later. That's right. Have fun. Or can they? I don't even know. So anyways, we're going to just keep on going. ETH looking pretty good. What was the next coin? It was the BNB. And for some reason now they're like taking time to load. There's a lot of crap going on here. All right, let's zoom out on BNB first. I haven't looked at these, by the way. I did not look at these. Yeah, ever since we topped here. Wow, that's interesting, actually. I didn't see that on the... That's cool. Starting in December. What was that? Yeah, okay. Well, it is there on that chart. Okay, so clearly we've formed this massive range if you look at the weekly. Like, look at BNB, my God. There was a time not so long ago when you could have bought it, I don't know, here, and then it went to here. This is on the BTC pair. You can see zooming in. There's that range, right? We're in the range, still holding the top half, so that's encouraging, and now sort of in this descending channel. This would be a decent entry anywhere around here, in theory. If it breaks down, you start looking at the lower part of the channel. But for now, this is sideways chop. Really, I know you don't want to hear it, but the trade is to get above this range and go up into price discovery. So like up here, boing, boing. Bong, 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 as Rizla says. Like that. But you could take an entry here. Just know that it's riskier. And it's just happened and you kind of missed it. Let's move on to the USDT pair. I'm going to close these as we go because internet and stuff. Yeah, shut up, leave. The BNB USDT looking kind of good, though. Zoom out to the weekly real quick. Yeah, I mean, yeah. So you got this huge range, which is reflected on the daily, going way back to like last May, right? Huge range. And we're just trading around the middle. This is like the choppiest sideways nonsense you can get, but we do have a 1, 2, 3 confirmed touches on this descending blue line and a breakout through that. Perfect retest. Let's zoom in. Perfect retest of that and the 50 MA. This is a clean flip of the 50 MA in theory. We've been under it, look, since December. Boom, 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 fail, fail, all under the 50 MA getting smacked. We are above it and retesting it as support. This looks better than it looks kind of good. Looks kind of good. So we have to either assume that one of two things are going to happen for altcoins to do well, right? We either need Bitcoin to go up slowly or Bitcoin to go sideways in a confident area. Like 42K to 45K, Bitcoin bouncing around could give us some time to let altcoins thrive, right? Yeah, Russia is hacking. I've been very, I feel like, politically correct about Putin. He was obviously elected fairly and is the leader that everyone loves in Russia. You don't say bad things about Putin. So I don't feel like they'd be targeting me, but maybe they saw through my bullshit. I don't know. There's nobody watching again. Super fun. BNB flipping here should be targeting at least this 435. I wouldn't get too excited. Maybe you get up to the 200 MA. The end of the day, though, this is massively, massively just ranging. Massively ranging. But it's very encouraging, this breakout and the 50 MA. I mean, this should theoretically head up. XRP versus Bitcoin. Yeah, I had the breakout, retest, breakout. This needs to get above 0.00002088. Something like that. That's what you're looking for. There's other resistance in here. But otherwise, I mean, this is like, this will chop you up. Super chop. One big move, super chop. Yeah, I'm live on Twitter. I know that. Yeah. I'm glad you guys are letting me know that you're here and not here in various ways, through creative ways. Nobody cares. Do you listen? I'm going to ask you guys a question. Do you care about Bitcoin pairs at all, or am I wasting my time? Come on, I want to see your answers. If you can hear me, here's your chance to say something in the chat. Can you hear me? Do you care about the Bitcoin pairs? Really? Do you? Not going on. No. Doesn't seem like you guys care. Oh, you guys give me more answers. I'm going to say this. I'm going to say,
bye, Felicia.
No. Like one person does for sure care. Waste of time. Not usually. Just talk about Bitcoin. Tony, you're going to need to phone a friend and find someone else. Nah. Works for me. No, only care about USD. I'm going to skip the Bitcoin pairs and we're going to do more coins. Like I'm getting rid of them all right down the line. Then we'll be able to look at more things. See that? I just made an executive decision. I gave you guys an opinion, but you don't get to vote. You don't get to vote. Someone said exactly Emmy, but I don't see what it says. Are those shoes? Did I miss it? I was looking at I guess I missed it on the chart. Okay, XRP USD right in the middle of this big triangle. You got to love that it held the bottom, but you can't trade this unless it breaks this line or this line. That's it. You're going up if it breaks here. If you close, not just wick, close below, you got to imagine that you're coming way down to the bottom. I mean, we got to see what happens with XRP's case, right? Yeah, the viewer numbers tell me the story. Right now on StreamYard it says 0. Listen, the advantage of using Bitcoin pairs, that's the only ones that ever mattered to me. The goal of trading always in the past, but by the way, we didn't really have USDT pairs. Most things in 2016, 17, you could only trade against Bitcoin, but the goal was to stack Bitcoin. If you're trading on the USDT pair, let's say your altcoin goes up 5% against USDT, but Bitcoin's up 20%, you're losing Bitcoin value in your portfolio. That's trash. The Bitcoin pair matters because why are you in this market if you're not trying to beat Bitcoin? That's why it matters. 0 viewers. Let's get through it. All right. XRP, whatever, bro. Nobody cares. Luna. Everyone cares. Yeah, still sort of in this ascending-y vibe. I'm not even going to go with that anymore. It is, but it's more that was an idea. And you know what? Pull it back to here. We'll do something like this. It is kind of like that. In the words of Slick Rick and Dougie Fresh. And it go a little something like this. More of an ascending, broadening wedge. At this point, you are not trading Luna under $103. That's the bottom line. Why? I don't know why. This was a trade I presented, by the way, 78. This retest. I had the line and the circles and the thing. Right? Yeah. Luna deserves an analysis. It's getting one. Mirko has informed me that he doesn't care, but he's still here, which conflicting messaging. I'm not your girlfriend. That's what you say to your girlfriend. You pretend you don't care, so she'll like you more, but you really care because you're like there. I'm not buying it. If you didn't care, you wouldn't be here. You would be watching someone who does this. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Anyhow, Luna, you want this. Yeah, you could buy again if it goes 70, but you want this. You want price discovery, right? Because everything in here is risky. You've got this sort of ascending pattern. I would not buy this, right? Not now. And then you got this thing going on. So you know that anytime we get to $103, you're there for now. There's a lot of selling interest and liquidity, sort of a bearish SFP. I'm not saying Luna looks bad. It looks great, but you just can't buy it at $94, wondering if it's going to go to 78 or 103. You're floating in between areas. Set an alarm. Do this. Do this. Ring the alarm. Another sound is dying. Whoa, hey. Right? Set the alarm. Oh, God. It's conflicting with my StreamYard thing. It won't let me hit the button. So annoying. Come on, man. Oh, it's so ridiculous. I can't set the alarm. It's literally like you can't see it, but I can't get behind that. Okay, you set your alarm. Set your alarm. Yeah. Yeah. It is definitely happening on Twitter if you need to watch. Is this true? Did Russia just hack Amazon Web Service, which is the whole internet? Because that'd be tight. I mean, terrible. That was both. The dance hall alarm is the original, and Fushnikins sampled it. Yeah. Fushnikins. Are you a true Fushnik, Vandal? Are you a true Fushnik? Are you Losh Move? You ain't got nothing to prove? Now leave it to Beaver Riva. Dirty. Habits of mercy, baby side. Naughty notes, muchacho, dorme vu. I'm my Fushnik shoot. Mister Chip Boost about to wreck shop with a judo chopper, judo chopper, judo chop chop. Fushnikins was my favorite rap group. I know even the fast words like those. You didn't expect that, did you? Yeah, so that's what you want from Luna. Losh Move. You ain't got nothing to prove. Because F you. We ain't got nothing to prove. You're a true Fushnik. I'm a true what? Remember when Shaquille O'Neal joined Fushnikins as Shaq Fu? Y'all remember that? I remember that. Now it's Shaq DJs. Yeah. Cardano, look at that. If only there was an indicator that works pretty consistently to show us when markets are bottoming. Oh, there is. It's called a bullish divergence with RSI when it hits oversold. That's the thing. It's right there. I mean, it's right there. You can see it. See it? Higher low on RSI, lower low on price. But Cardano's pumping. Can anybody tell me why? Anyone tell me why? I don't know. He's like, you're like always here, like a joke. See, Miko, we're cool, man. Treat your girlfriend with more respect. I'm just saying. Even if it's a blow up doll. I don't know. I don't know what you guys do at home. I don't know. Yeah, I see nobody watching according to Streamer, which is tight. ADA, I mean, this looks great. There's the flip of 92 cents. I mean, you should at least be getting a move up to here-ish. That's a dumb line. I don't like that. It's a pretty cool line. $1.18, but it's about to go overbought on the daily. That's like the power zone, right? Look, I mean, this went overbought back here at $1.48 on the way to 313. So on the daily, you definitely don't need to worry about it being overbought. Your signal is when it gets that bearish divergence right there. See, look, talk about bull divs. How did you know the dead ass generational top of ADA? A bearish divergence, obviously. So clear. So clear. That means sellers are exhausting, but price is still going up. It's about to be pain train. Pain train. Right? Habib, you're always bitching right here. I get a feeling, Habib, that sometimes like my streams aren't even on and you're just like looking at a picture of me complaining at it. But I dig you for that. I dig you for that. So yeah, I mean, listen, could go way high. I would just say right now, it's crazy, but you're kind of buying the dips on ADA, right? Here's another, like maybe we call this right now. Let's clean this up for you guys. Just give it very obvious levels here. Like Avicii. Levels. I'm just going to make them the really, really obvious. I mean, we'll get rid of that line. Yes, I don't care. Okay. Use this. But this is a beautiful rounding bottom. It looks good. If this closes above like $1.01, right? We know $1 is a psychological level. You're looking for a retest of that and a move up. I know you did that to show me here. I like you, man. We're cool. if I mock you or say some stuff like that, guys, you know that we're cool. Like that's how you should see how I treat my friends. We talk a lot of that smack. Yeah, I'm going to talk some smack to my friends right now. I just sent them. We're talking about fantasy football. And I came in second, but I just keep telling them that I won. It's like, yeah, your ROI daily fantasy. It's like, your ROI is like 109, bro. Mine was 114. I won. And I'm like, yeah, I won. That's how I do it. Well, this is not working. We're going to just get through it. Solana, here it is. There's your pad. Look, Solana had a bullish divergence with RSI all the way through here. Cool. Solana right here is your line. I'm going to set an alarm on it. We're going to get this done because this is pointless, guys. I'm going to do one or two more, and then I'm going to go home. Yeah. You want to see a break of this line, descending wedge. The target would be about $121. So this is, you'll find resistance here, but this is the move from the descending wedge. Your target's here. If you get the breakout, can't do anything about it till you break out, close above. Yeah, do the thing. Play it level to level. Easy. Oh, look, YouTube apparently is on. So like it, guys. Why don't you like it? Like it. Scott, this filter you have on makes your nose look huge. Yes, that filter is called reality, my friend. It's the reality filter that makes you look like yourself. But in the words of Humpty, my nose is big. I'm not ashamed. Big like a pickle. I'm still getting paid, getting laid by the ladies. You know, I'm in charge both how I'm living and my nose is large. Yeah. Yeah. Humpty Hump. Yeah. AVAX kind of looking good, man. Breakout. Look, that's 1, 2, 3 perfect touches of resistance. Break. Decent volume. Multiple retests. Though it's kind of gross. I don't know. If you get down maybe to here.
Those help living in my nose is large. I once got busy in a Burger King bathroom. I'm crazy. Allow me to amaze thee.
Yeah, Tupac was basically a backup dancer / assistant, and then they let him rap on same song, I think. All around the world is the same song. And he broke out. Shock G was like his mentor, basically. Rip Shock G. Yeah, crazy. Yeah, AVAX, there's your levels. This is kind of a little bull flag if you zoom in, probably. No, it's got a flat top. False alarm. False alarm.
Fuck you, YouTube.
Dot, you know we love it. I've been posting it, been sharing it. We're sharing it down here as an entry, $17. Now you're flipping this resistance head here. I literally drew that. It's like I drew it. It's a thing. I drew it. It was in the newsletter. Yeah, saw them in Canada. Tupac was the backup dancer. He was literally a backup dancer. Drew the Humpty Hump. Hard in a chair. Right?
First, I limped to the side like my leg was broken, shaking and twitching, kind of like I was smoking. Crazy, whack, funky. People say you look like MC Hammer on crack, Humpty. That's all right, because my body's in motion.
So that's tight. Yeah, Dot looks good. Should be going to $22. It's only 10%, but yeah. And then you can worry about it when you see what happens at $22. Doge, fuck Doge. Seriously. I still think we get it at 8 cents eventually. It hasn't gotten there yet, but I drew that when we were here. Yeah, of course it was pretty good. I'm a kid of the 80s and 90s. It's my shit. No TA on Buck Masons. Great brand. Great brand. I didn't even know I did that remarkably well until I just did that remarkably well. Yeah. Bust a Move was my jam, though. Young MC. Don't just stand there, bust a move. In the city, ladies look pretty. Gotta tell jokes so they can see witty. Tell a funny joke just to get some play, then try to make a move. She says, no way. I know all the rap songs from that era, man, and before. Doge, it's doing nothing. Fuck Doge. Oh, and then the last thing we have is SHIB. That's just like insulting. Whatever. SHIB, nothing. Let's find a new coin to look at before we leave. What's next? MATIC, CRO, and Litecoin. Let's do those. And then I'm out of here. I'm going to go do shit that has nothing to do with you people. CRO and a Litecoin. Probably. Oh, today's golf lesson day. I'm going to do golf lessons. MATIC. Super simple. Break this line. Party time. It's going to be great. Dressed in yellow. She said, hello. Come sit next to me, you fine fellow. Armed and dangerous. Ain't no can't bang with us. Straight up, we know angel dust. They of us notorious. Yeah, of course, man. Come on. Come on. MATIC. Is Bone and Biggie. This is now a rap show. I've told you guys it's a rap show. Yeah, my SHIB, like I try to hit the like and it just bounces off. MATIC. Wait till it breaks that line. Come on, guys. CRO looks good. That looks good. Got to get above the 50 MA and maybe let's call it 43 cents. You do. Here's your targets. Look, I'll even do the Swanee thing. We'll do that. Pull some fibs. Pull them. There's your targets. I don't like those. Anyways, yeah, CRO is breaking out. Look, guys, tons of volume. Oh my God, are you serious? That's the increase in volume we get. Oh, it is increasing. But my God, look at what the volume was like back then. And look how dead this market is now. Holy cannoli, bro. But crypto.com launching in the United States and also a sponsor of the World Cup. Did you guys see that? Sponsor of the World Cup. I don't even carry a 3-iron. Those aren't things anymore. They have hybrids. My favorite iron is the shortest and easiest one. Actually, I really like the 8-iron. Yeah, maybe go. That sucks for you. I feel bad that you don't know what any of the songs I'm rapping are, but I feel worse that you're not an alive person and that you're actually a mummy and have come back from the dead to haunt this stream. Was it Binance sponsoring the World Cup? I don't think so, man. I think it was crypto.com. Yeah, 3-irons aren't really a thing anymore. I have a 3-iron in my like high school clubs. They make these annoying hybrid clubs now. They're like, they look like woods, but they're irons. It's very, very confusing. Yeah, they bought US stadium rights prior to being allowed to operate. Yeah, they also got Matt Damon and LeBron James, right? Yeah, I've been cool for a long time. Yeah, CRO looking good. Nice breakout. Litecoin, you're going to guess that this is super exciting. Lots of bullish divergences. Should get overbought. I don't want to trade Litecoin. Why is there so much like Litecoin excitement on Twitter? His name is Leonardo DiCaprio. Do you have Leonardo Fibonacci as your icon with laser nostrils? Is that what that is? Yeah, it's Matt Damon. What are your guys' icons over here? Mostly your faces. It's mostly just your faces. Des, what is your icon, man? What is that? I see it all the time on Twitter. What is it? It's cool. It's like a Planet of the Apes. It's probably like some obvious thing that I don't even know what it is. I don't know what it is. A lot of people like Litecoin. It's cool. Litecoin. Yeah. I don't know. Are you guys going to Miami? Who's going to Miami? We're done with this. Who's going to Miami? Who's going to Miami for the Bitcoin conference in 2 weeks? Who's going? I'm going. I'm bringing like a big ass team and I'm just going to harass everybody and shoot like super amount of podcasts. Like anyone, I'm just gonna be like, come podcast with me. What am I gonna do? Are any of you guys going? I think that Jay, I think that could have legs, buddy. Everybody loves Polka. You're gonna go. Shut up. You're gonna go. That ape is monkey ball. Is that a thing? I don't know. Many. I don't know. I'm many. Maybe next time. Bring Bella. I'll give her a high five. Basically, I'm going to be honest. So last year, the Bitcoin convention, you know, probably the same rules. They only allow you to talk about Bitcoin. Like Floyd Mayweather, like had like an Ethereum shirt on and they booed him. Like you literally can't even mention Ethereum or anything else on stage. So what it ends up was last year, it was very interesting, but it was a like, what's a kind way to put this? A circle jerk of epic proportions. Yeah, circle jerk of epic proportions. Basically, a bunch of people who love Bitcoin in a circle just jerking it to Bitcoin. And all having like the same, it was like, so like, let's talk a panel. And I'm not hating because honestly, it was amazing. I loved it. But like, really, if you went there, you'd be like, okay, I've been learning about Bitcoin for 9 hours. How many people can tell me about the institutional adoption? Bitcoin. You know? I'm not even saying they were nerds. I'm just saying you were only allowed to talk about Bitcoin. Like, how much can you talk about? So this panel is on how many institutions will adopt Bitcoin. The next panel is called the Bitcoin Institutional Adoption. The next panel after that is called Adoption Institutional Crypto Bitcoin. Ooh, did you say crypto? You're kicked out. Yeah. So I don't know. It's cool. I don't think they're allowing ETH talk, man. I don't think they're allowing that crazy ETH tackle. You said tackle. So I don't know, man. I don't know. But it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna be there and we're setting up like Valkyrie Investments. Like they have a lounge. So I was like, that's mine. So I'm gonna set it up. Mics, people. Maybe I'll do a video. Maybe this would be fun. There's that comedian, Emmy. What's that comedian's name who runs up to people in the street? He's like, do you like Seth Rogen or blah, blah, blah. And then the person's like, I like blah, blah. And he's like, this is Seth Rogen. He's like standing there with Seth Rogen, you know? Or he's like, quick. What's your favorite? Like pizza or tacos? And then he yells at them for having the wrong answer. Maybe I'll just run around the convention to like famous maxis and I'll just run up to me and be like, so what do you think about Doge? Put a mic in their face and then make a video of it. I think I could do that. I mean, he must not be watching anymore. But there's this comedian. He's on like TikTok and stuff, and he like fucks with people in the street. It's pretty funny. Maybe Eddie on the street. Is that what it is? Let me look it up. Eddie on the street. I don't think that's it. I don't even know what that is. Literally, that doesn't even Google anything. Maybe you spelled it wrong. No, I have no idea, bro. You just made me go down a weird rabbit hole. Something on the street. Yeah, so maybe I'll just like walk up to people and be like, so what are your thoughts on Ethereum Max? New paradigm. And put the mic in their face and just see it get awkward. Like roll up to Max Geyser and be like, what are your thoughts on the Ethereum volcano bond? Yeah. Basically, it'd be like Ollie G, but me with my actual face. Billy on the street? Let's see. Let's have this idea. Billy on the street. Phone call. Yeah, Billy on the street. This guy. Let me see if I can like. No, that's not it. He's like on Funny or Die. Let me see if I can find like a quickie. Billy on the street. This guy's funny. I'm gonna try to show you an example, but I don't know if it's gonna work. Billy Eichner. Guess that's his name. Anyways, yeah, whatever. I'm not gonna show you. You guys look it up. Pretty funny. Wolf on the street. Yeah, Wolf on the street. You guys got it. Wolf on all the streets. We'll call it Wolf on the street. We're gonna do that. And I'm just going to mess with people. Emmy, let's do this. Emmy, let's have you do it. Let's have you do it. This is what you'll do. This is what we're going to do. I'm going to have Emmy roll up to people. I'm going to be hiding behind her. And then she's going to be like, blah, blah, blah. What do you think about that guy, Scott Melker? I'll be like, I fucking hate that guy, his face. And she'll be like, yeah, he's right here. He's my husband. So you want to say hi? And then they'll be like, oh, you're my favorite. I watch your show all the time. Do that. That's what we're going to do. It's going to be awesome. Yeah. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do something like it. I don't know what it is yet, but I'm literally going to spend like all the money I have bringing down a whole crew just so I can shoot these like 40-second videos. Yeah, Emmy, you can walk up to all the like anonymous dudes who have like ever trolled me, like if we find out, and you can be like, so what do you think of Scott Melker? Good guy, right? That guy sucks, right? Hey, guys, or you walk up to him like real negative. Like, hey, that Scott Melker guy, man. That guy, he's really a dumbass. Like, he's a LARP. That guy doesn't trade. Don't you think? Be like, yeah, he's right here. He's right here. So you want to say hi? And then I'll like, what's up, dog? What's up, dog? You talking about me? Stop hitting on my wife. Tom, I would wreck you. You sign up to fight me. Just roll up and try to fight me. See what happens. See what happens. See what happens. Because it won't be me that's fighting you if you roll up on me. It'll be that Jack dude slightly off to the side that you didn't see. Okay, you're gonna be like, Scott's great. It was just a joke. It was just for funny content. Okay, we'll go get other people like Peter. We'll get like McCormick and Pomp, like people we're friends, and we'll roll up with them behind us. Be like, what do you think of Peter McCormick? And they'll be like, yeah, it's him. Or do you like Pomp or Peter McCormick better? And they'll both be standing there, and it'll be super awkward. That's what it'll be. I do fight people in the Oculus a lot. It's not down with the negativity. Okay, it fell apart. The idea was cool though, but maybe we'll just like, hey guys, tell me what you think Bitcoin is. Why does Bitcoin matter to you? Oh, because permissionless cash to cash. You care because the number go up. Anyways, guys, that's it. I gotta. No, Emmy is not the Jack dude I'm talking about, but roll up on Emmy, see what happens. Anywho, guys, it's been real, been fun. Tomorrow we're doing, who do we have tomorrow? It's going to be tomorrow's roundtables for real. Let me see. I know we got a couple mega chads on there. Let me see. Who's this? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. At least, I can tell you at least the first, I'm going to tell you one guest for tomorrow. Has a little company called Real Vision. Lives in the Caymans. Often does live streams in front of a really cool bar. Do you guys guess who it is? Guess who it is? Guess who it is? Virtual high five to the first person you can guess who one of my guests is tomorrow. I said who he is. His name rhymes with Flaul Small. You guys know who he is? Yes, Raul Paul. Raul Paul will be here tomorrow, joining me to talk about everything. Maybe I'll just ask him questions like that, see what happens. Anyways, guys, that's all I got. See you later. Peace. It's been great. It's awesome. You're the best.
That's dope.